What's your biggest turn off in a man? Should foreigners learn to speak Tagalog, and are you willing to be their tutor? Is Bicol a good place for foreigners to visit or move to, and which area do you recommend? Like that?
The money.
Yes, what's
Okay,
that's gonna be the range?
maybe if I know them, it's just for free.
Wow!
Just for free. We Filipinos, we really love to.
What's your biggest turn off in a man?
I think that would be the nonchalant person, the nonchalant person, yung uso ngayon na mga nonchalant that they say those person who doesn't value the small things because we as a woman I always value the small things and it really hurts even the smallest things talaga. And so the small a man who doesn't value the small things, or they don't recognize, they don't do the small thing, always focuses on those bigger things like mga another level na problem. So that would be the
Your turn offs.
yeah,
Your biggest turn offs.
when they don't know how to.
Okay. Nonchalant and a guy that doesn't value little things. Like for them, it's like, it's okay. It's not really important like that. Okay. But for you, it's like, it's a big deal already, right? Okay. Is Bicol a good place for foreigners to visit or move to? And which area do you recommend?
I think Bicol, yeah, kasi there's a lot of places here in Bicol like Albay, and I would recommend Albay because there's a lot of beautiful sceneries there that you can explore. And I think the foreigners or other people from the other country would love it here in Bicol kasi they'll they'll have a lot to explore po. Yan lang.
We also love Albay, especially Legazpi, to be exact, right?
Yeah,
And
yes.
there's that's a place where you can see this perfectly cone. What do you call these?
Mayon.
Mayon volcano. The shape of the Mayon is cone. Okay, that's where, yes, perfect cone. That's where you can find that in Legazpi, Albay. Very beautiful. Have you been to Albay because you're from Goa, right?
Not yet because I'm not a traveler person, but I would recommend Albay pa din po. Yan lang.
Is it because of social media? Like you see photos, videos about Albay?
I would love to explore Albay din kasi because of what I saw on social media po, but I've not been there yet. What?
Yeah.
I've not been there yet po kasi hindi
Because
din ako pinapayagan ng parents ko pang umalis ng
it's because her parents are not allowing her to travel. Okay. Should foreigners learn to speak Tagalog? And are you willing to be their tutor?
um if there's a chance, yeah, I would love to, but yeah, cause when Filipinos heard other foreigners speak our language, we feel so proud. Like, wow, they know our language. So but it seems like they're interested in us. So I think it's nice to hear them. Yeah,
Yes. So if you've given a chance, you will, right? You will tutor them.
I will.
What's your biggest turn off in a man?
Mm, using bad habits like smoking and drinking and going out without my permission.
So the guy must ask for your permission first, right?
Yes.
Okay. Is it like every time? Like, yeah, he needs to ask for permission from you?
Not every time, but in a in a nece- in a necessary way.
Necessary way. Okay. Is Bicol a good place for foreigners to visit or move to? And which area do you recommend?
Here at Bicol.
Here in Bicol, which area?
I don't know too much, but at Goa.
Here in Goa.
Yes.
Where are you from?
Goa.
Okay. So you're pointing here, Goa. So here in Goa. Okay. So, do you think Bicol is a good place for foreigners to visit or move to? Yes or no?
To visit and to move to.
Both. Both. Okay. Should foreigners learn to speak Tagalog?
Yes.
Why?
That's why, ano? Pwede mag-Tagalog. Ano, kailangan nila
Kailangan nila.
kailangan nilang malaman kung paano magsalita o malaman ng lengguwahe na ginagamit
Bakit?
natin. Kasi nga, para maging aware sila sa mga sinasabi ng iba.
Oh, so she said they must learn to speak Tagalog or the language of, the place. So they will be aware of what the others are, talking like that. They're saying. Okay, so they will be aware. Okay. Are you willing to be their tutor? If someone approach you, ask you to be their tutor,
I can be their, their,
yes or no?
pwede rin.
Maybe, yeah, they can. You can. Okay. She's very shy, guys. She said she will try. What's your biggest turn off in a man?
My biggest turn off in a man is that I think a man who is irresponsible and who has lack of emotional intelligence and goals in life like that.
Goals in life. Oh, so you like someone with, who was like, what do you call this? So you like someone with goals.
Yeah.
I think almost everyone, right?
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Is Bicol a good place for foreigners to visit or move to? And which area do you recommend?
I think there are a lot of tourist people who visits Camarines Sur like that. So I think I can recommend you like Karamoan, and Presentacion, Lagunoy. Those are the places that has a lot of beautiful sceneries here.
Have you been to Caramoan?
Yes, I've been there.
How many times?
I think 3 times.
And
And I saw a lot of beautiful sceneries there.
like what?
Like beautiful beaches, beautiful wait lang.
Beaches and come on, come. No, because her friends are laughing. So yeah. So aside from beautiful beaches, what else?
Yes. I think when you go to Lagunoy, there's a coffee shop there. You can enjoy and travel with your friends.
Friends or loved ones.
Once, yeah. I truly want to recommend you guys the province of Camarines Sur, who has a lot of beautiful places to be visit, and of course the people there are so hospitable.
Of course, don't forget about the
Of
people.
course,
That's
of
very
course.
nice of you, right? Even here in Goa, people are very nice. Mhm.
True. That's
People, they're very nice, very nice. I like the people here in Goa. Okay. Um, should foreigners learn to speak Tagalog? And are you willing to be their tutor?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I can help them or just share a lot of share something about Bicol and of course the language here.
So do you think foreigners should learn to speak Tagalog? Yes or no?
I think so. Foreigners should learn Tagalog.
Why do you
Because
think?
the people here in Bicol or in Manila, of course, the language in Manila is Tagalog. We call it Tagalog. So the people there, they use Tagalog as their primary language, and the foreigners must come and visit, and of course, learn how to speak Tagalog.
Okay, her English is good.
Oh my
I'm very impressed.
Oh my God.
I'm just curious. So what's your course?
I'm Bachelor of Arts in Communication.
Arts and communication. That's
We focus
why.
on communication. Yeah.
Okay, very beautiful, right? And what year are you now? Second year, third year?
I'm a third-year student.
What's your biggest turn off in a man?
Well, I think for me, my biggest turn off is a man with no emotional intelligence, because I believe that a man that is really halabo ko na te.
That is really in love with you, or care about you? What?
That is really itong perfect for me.
Okay.
He should be sensitive, and he should acknowledge his feelings and the feelings of others, as well as syempre sa partner niya na ako.
Okay, so someone that is perfect for you should have emotional intelligence. I see.
Because I think these days, men, especially our generation po, they lack emotional intelligence. They always think about themselves. They're very insensitive to the guys that I talked before po.
How about you? Do you consider yourself emotional sensitive?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Okay. Is Bicol a good place for foreigners to visit or move to? And which area do you recommend?
Well, I think yeah, Bicol is really a beautiful place for a foreigner to really immerse themselves in our culture and even in our people. I think po here in a partido, especially here in Goa, you can meet a lot of very beautiful and very industrious women that can really love you wholeheartedly.
I can assure you that what you just said, they're all true.
Yeah.
Because I really like the people of Goa. They're the nicest people I've ever met. Yes, and not just, Goa is it's not a city, but people are very nice. It's small place as well. You're not even gonna get lost here. Yeah. What do you call these? Okay. Should foreigners learn to speak Tagalog, and are you willing to be their tutor?
I think it's not necessary for them to learn our language, because we can connect with them through our body language or even in other ways. I think that language is not really an important, or it's not what do you call this?
Needed?
Yeah, it's not parang di siya magiging
Hadlang?
yeah.
It's not, I don't know what's hadlang. Now I forgot the term. I don't know what's hadlang in English. I know it, but I forgot. It's like, hadlang is, it's not hindrance.
Yeah, it's not a hindrance for us to connect with them. And I think I can tutor them. I know English naman, but not in a very deep way.
Mhm.
I mean Tagalog pala.
Yes. Okay, that's very nice of you. May we know what's gonna be the rate?
I'm not sure. I can't really say right now. I guess I'll rate it like 7 or 8 out of 10.
No, the rate like $7, like that.
The money.
Yes, what's the that's gonna be the rate?
Maybe if I know them, it's just for free.
Wow!
Just for free. We Filipinos, we really love to be
What?
to be anong English ka ni?
Like giving, like
Yeah, and we really like to offer our time just to accommodate them, because we have that in our values as a Filipino.
You're very good.
I don't know.
Yes, you are. Okay, so you will. How long I mean, are you single or in a relationship?
I don't know.
No. Do you have a boyfriend?
No.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
How long have you been single, na pe?
I guess 20 years, almost 20 years.
20 years that you've been single now? Hindi man po. Okay. Okay. Di man po, nagigibo po kami video. Okay, hold on. Okay, you said you've been single for 20 years now. How old are you?
I'm 20.
Also, no boyfriend since birth.
No boyfriend.
Wow. And this is very common to here in Goa. I interview a lot of what do you call this, Filipinas here, and most of them are NBSB, no boyfriend since birth. That's very beautiful, right? Very beautiful.
There's really some beauty within it that we have to embrace. It doesn't mean that we're single, that our life is sad.
But anyway, thank you so much for having this interview. Thank you, salamat.